Hello friends, this is Akshay More, working as an assistant professor in botany at JMD Arts, BW Commerce and Science College, Sinnar. Friends, in our last lecture, we started our first topic, that is inflorescence. In this lecture, we have to study remaining types of inflorescence. We will see one by one. Friends, our next point is spike inflorescence. Spike inflorescence usually unbranched, elongated, simple, and indeterminate. Indeterminate means unlimited growth of inflorescence, and determinate means limited growth of inflorescence. Flowers are sessile. In spike inflorescence, sessile flowers are present. Friend, sessile means absence of pedicel. You can say in simply in Marathi, ज्या फुलाला देठ नसतो त्याला sessile flower म्हणतात. For example, Adathoda means Adusa, Piper, Amaranthus, Acheranthus, and tuberose. Students, see this image. In this inflorescence, flowers are sessile. Means flowers directly attached to the main branch or peduncle. Flowers directly attached to the main branch or peduncle. This type of inflorescence we call spike inflorescence. Next point, compound spike. It is a subtype of spike inflorescence. In this inflorescence, flowers develop on primary axis. Flowers develop on a primary axis. Compound spike inflorescence is found in Triticum and Oryza. Triticum means wheat, and in Marathi you can say gahu. See here, flowers develop on primary branch or primary axis. Next type, spadix inflorescence. Spadix inflorescence are fleshy, unbranched peduncle that bears unisexual flowers, protected by pathe, and enlarged bract is called spadix. In peduncle, unisexual flowers are developed, and those flowers protected by in bract. This type of inflorescence called as spadix inflorescence. So what is unisexual flowers? The flowers having only one reproductive part, that is male or female. Male reproductive part we call androecium, and female reproductive part we call gynoecium. For example, Arum, Colocasia, and Anthurium. In Marathi, Colocasia means Adu. Students, see this image. The inflorescence covered by enlarged bract. The inflorescence covered by enlarged bract. This type of inflorescence we call spadix inflorescence. We call spadix inflorescence. Next point, compound spadix. The branch peduncle that bears spadix on each branch is called compound spadix. Woody, boat-like bract protect the unbranched peduncle. For example, compound spadix of coconut or and acorn. See this image. These inflorescence covered by the board-like bract. This type of inflorescence we call compound spadix inflorescence. Next point, catkin inflorescence. Friends, this inflorescence looks like a cat tail. You can say in Marathi, जे इन्फ्लोरेसन्स मांजराच्या सेफ्टी सारखे दिसते त्याला कॅटकिन इन्फ्लोरेसन्स म्हणायचे. A pendant spike of unisexual flowers found only in woody plants. Example: Morus, Salix, Casuarina, and Acalypha. Friends, it is very easy to remember. This inflorescence looks like a cat tail. Looks like a cat tail. See this image. This inflorescence look like a cat tail. This type of inflorescence called as catkin inflorescence. Called as catkin inflorescence. Example: Morus, Salix, Acalypha, and Casuarina. Next point, umbel inflorescence. Flower stalk of more or less equal in length. Flower stalk more or less equal in length arise from the same point. Stalk arise from the same point and it is less or equal in length. Like the ribs of an umbrella at the base of flower stalk, there is hole of bracts forming a involucre. For example, Hydrocotyle or Allium cepa means kanda. Friends, this inflorescence looks like a umbrella. In simple, जे inflorescence छत्री सारखी दिसते त्याला umbel inflorescence म्हणायचे. See this image. This is Allium cepa. This inflorescence looks like a umbrella. Stalks arise from a same point. This type of inflorescence we call umbel type of inflorescence. Next, capitulum or head inflorescence. A dense inflorescence comprising an aggregation of usually sessile flowers arranged on a convex receptacle. Sessile means absence of pedicel. Formed by the axis and having one or more hole of bract forming a involucre. Friends, in this inflorescence, flowers arrange on a convex receptacle. Flowers arrange on a convex receptacle. This type of inflorescence we call capitulum or head inflorescence. For example, Helianthus. Thank you.